Did you know starting seeds too early in Zone 6A can kill your plants before they even touch soil? I'll reveal the one mistake 90% of gardeners make and how to avoid it. Hey everyone, today we're diving into the best crops to start indoors in February. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to start your seeds, the 3 must-have tools, and I'm even giving away a free Zone 6 planting calendar link below. Let's get started. Why Zone 6A is unique. First, let's talk about why Zone 6A is unique. If you're gardening in Zone 6A, your average last frost date is around May 15th. But here's the thing, microclimates can vary. Maybe your backyard is a little colder or warmer than your neighbor's. That's why timing is everything. Some crops, like tomatoes and peppers, need a head start indoors because they take longer to grow. Others, like beans and carrots, are better off sown directly into the ground later. And if your seedlings are looking leggy or stunted, it's not always about light. Overwatering, poor soil, or even the wrong temperature can cause problems. But don't worry, we'll cover all of that in a bit. Want to grow twice as many peppers with half the effort? Stick around. I'm sharing my secret heat hack. Let's get into the step-by-step guide. First up, timing. For crops like tomatoes, peppers, and eggplants, start your seeds 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. That means mid-February to early March for Zone 6A. For squash and cucumbers, you can wait until 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Now, let's talk tools. You'll need seed trays, grow lights. I recommend LED and heat mats to help with germination. If you're on a budget, you can make humidity domes using takeout containers. Just poke a few holes in the top for airflow. Next, soil and watering. Always use a sterile seed starting mix, no bark chunks. And here's a pro tip, overwatering kills seedlings faster than frost. Instead of soaking the soil, use a spray bottle to keep it moist but not soggy. Before you hit and screen, I've got a $5 trick to protect seedlings from late frosts. No greenhouse needed? Common mistakes and fixes. Let's talk about common mistakes and how to fix them. Mistake number 1, starting seeds too early. This can lead to weak, root-bound plants that struggle when transplanted. Mistake number 2, skipping the hardening off process. If you don't gradually expose your seedlings to outdoor conditions, they'll go into shock and might not survive. Here's a pro tip. Use a fan to create airflow around your seedlings. This strengthens their stems and prepares them for life outdoors. And don't forget to harden them off by placing them outside for a few hours each day, gradually increasing the time over a week.
3 keys to success: timing, tools, and avoiding overwatering.
If you learned something new, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe where we'll dive into transplanting secrets. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.